good morning student. Today my video of class 7th mathematics. We will continue exercise 6C. From question number 1 to 15 I have already solved in the previous video. Now today we will start from question number 16. 16 and 17 both are the same question. So we are going here to solve question number 17. In question number 17 it is given that find the product AB into A square plus B square and evaluate it for A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 1 by 2. So student, first we have to find the product. AB we have to multiply with A square plus B square. Okay students, so AB into A square plus B square, AB into B square. Both of the terms of the binomial we have to multiply with that monomial. Now A square and A, we have to add the exponent of the both of the A cube B, and here A, add the exponents of B, 1 and 2, B cube. Okay students, now evaluating the polynomial, evaluating it by putting the value of A and B. Putting the value of A and B. What is the students term here? A cube B plus AB cube. What is the value of A here? The value of A is given 2. So make a 2 on the place of A. Make a cube here. What is the value of B? The value of B is 1 by 2. So I am writing here 1 by 2. Again, what is the value of A? 2. And what is the value of B? 1 by 2 whole cube. So the cube of 2 is 8 into 1 by 2, and 2 into cube of 1 is 1 and cube of 2 is 8. 2 4 the 8. Here we are reducing the terms, and again 2 4 the 8. So 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to students 4 whole 1 by 4. So the product of AB into A square plus B square is A cube B plus AB cube. One answer is here, and when we evaluate we will get the answer 4 whole 1 by 4. Now question number 18 and 19 both are same. So we are going to solve here question number 19. But before we have to clean it. Question number 19 students, find the product of minus 3y into xy plus y square and find its value for x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So look here, minus 3y we are going to multiply with xy plus y square. So here minus 3y into xy, minus plus minus here 3y into y square. So minus 3x here, and when we add the powers of both of the exponents of y, we get here y square. Minus 3 here, and when we add the exponents of y, we get y cube. Now, therefore, product is equal to what? Product of terms that is minus 3xy square minus 3y cube. Now putting the value of x and y. What is the question here? Minus 3xy square minus 3y cube. That is equal to minus 3. What is the value of x? The value of x is 4 and the value of y is what? 5. So make a square of 5 here. Minus 3. Again the value of 5, y is equal to what? 5 cube. Now minus 3 into 4, and the square of 5 is 5 5 is 25. 3. And what is the cube of 5? 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125. So student, 25 4 is 100, 3 is 300, and 125 3 is 375. When we add the terms, we will get here minus 675. That is the value. Okay, students. Now from question number 20 to 26 we have to simplify the terms here. Okay, so now look here, all questions are same. So we are going to here solve question number 20. Now look here, simplify of the following. The very first question is going to be question number 20 here. A into B minus C plus B into C minus A and plus C into A minus B. So we are solving here students AB, A into C AC, B into C BC and plus minus here B into A AB plus C into A AC and plus minus BC. Now minus BC and plus BC both reduce each other, minus ABC and plus AB both reduce each other, and plus AC and minus AC both reduce each other, and the result will be 0. Now look one more question here, question number 23. X into x plus 4 plus 3x into 2x square minus 1 plus 4x square plus 4. Now look here friends, multiply the terms. X into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, 3 2 ja 6 and x into x square, x cube. Now plus minus 3x 1 ja 3x plus 4x square plus 4. Now students, there is no similar term of x cube here, so we will write 6x cube here. Now here 4x square and x square both are the similar terms, so when you add you will get here 5x square and 4x square and x, not x square here, 4x square and x square here, 5x square. Now the 4x and 3x both are the similar terms, so when you add you will get here plus x and here plus 4. That is your answer. One more question we have to solve here, question number 26. So look at students here, but before we have to clean it. In question number 26, 4st multiplied by s minus t minus 6x s square t minus t square minus 3t square 2s square minus s and 2st multiplied with s minus t. Okay students, 4st into s minus t minus 6s square t minus t square minus 3t square 2s square minus s and 2st multiplied by s minus t. Now look here students, first we have to multiply both of the terms. So s and s becomes s square here. Now plus minus here, 4s and t become t square. Now here look at students, 6s square t multiplied with t, the 6s square t, and minus plus here students, when t square multiplied with 6s square, it becomes 6s square t square. Now again here minus plus minus 3 2 ja 6 and s square t square, s square t square. Again here minus plus students 3 s and t square. Again here plus 2 s into s square t plus minus 2s t into t square. Okay students, now plus 6s square t square and minus 6s square t square both reduce each other. Now continuing the terms here, 4s square t. Now one also terms related to here s square t, that we have to write here, plus 2s square t and here minus 6s square t. Now minus 4s t square. Again the term that is related with s t square we have to write here, that is s t square plus 3s t square and here also minus 2 s t square. Okay students, Any confusion, students? Continuing here, 4 and 2, 6s square t, and here minus 6s square t. Okay, students. Now, these all three are same terms, but these two are in negative terms, so we have to add here, and minus 4 and minus 2 become minus 6s t square and plus 3s t square. Minus 6s square t and plus 6s square t. Both reduce each other. Now what remains here? Minus 6s t square and plus 3s t square. Both are the similar terms, students. So when you solve it, here 6 is greater, so put the sign of minus here. 6 minus 3, that is 3 here, and s t square. So students, when you solve 4s t into s minus t, minus 6s square t minus t square, and minus 3t square into 2s square minus s plus 2s t into s minus t, the term will be here minus 3s t square. Okay? Thank you, students. In my next video, we will start a new exercise 60. In that exercise, we are going to learn, or we will learn about the multiplication of two binomials. Thank you, students.